Welcome. All right, let's go. So tonight we'll be talking about forex trading and introduction to forex trading and cheat codes. Okay? But before that, pakilala ko muna yung sarili ko. I am Nurse Paraguay. I'm 43 years old from Cagayan de Oro. So kaway-kaway yung mga Bisaya dyan. Graduate po ako ng Ateneo de Cagayan. 10 years po ako sa digital business and I'm an entrepreneur by profession. I am own a mountain resort here in our place. I am a licensed financial consultant. I started forex trading since 2017. So medyo matagal na. I founded the community, Pinoy Traders Community, for a reason na gusto ko matulungan yung mga Pilipino na matuto sila sa forex trading kasi ang dali lang naman. Ito yung opportunity, ito yung mga answered prayer, ang dali lang kung malaman mo na kung paano. Eventually, nag-rise up itong mga OFW like you guys and now I like OFWs kasi you guys are more committed and you guys are more responsive. You guys are more interested in learning, doing this business while you are busy. At yung iba hindi busy, pero kayo busy, but you still want to know more about forex trading. As a matter of fact, as we speak right now, kanina lang, earlier, doon sa GC namin ng mga sa community natin, may isang OFW nakakatuwa kasi nag-send siya ng screenshots na kanyang result. Okay? After trading for 3 days, pero hindi 3 days lahat. Siyempre may mga 1 week to 2 weeks pa na training doon. After training for 3 days, trading for 3 days ng live account niya, yung 300 USD niya, nagiging 1,000 USD. And this girl is from Canada dahil po sa tinuro natin at ginamit natin at tinatawag natin na cheat code. So paano yan? Yun ang pag-uusapan natin tonight. Bakit ko ito ginagawa? Because I want to have a quality life with my family. So we just arrived from our vacation galing sa farm namin. So ito yung life ko. Gusto ko may time sa family ko at the same time may budget din. Kasi actually masarap sa Pilipinas pag may pera. So hopefully tingnan nyo lang itong represent namin na webinar about forex trading. Baka ito na yung reason na mag for good kasi marami ng OFW na nakaresulta and soon to be mag for good. Okay. So before that, disclaimer lang muna tayo. We do not accept investment here. Hi Jane, proud Bisaya. Kumusta mo diha? So we do not accept investment here. Ibig pong sabihin, hindi po kami tumatanggap ng mga taong gusto magti-trade o ipapatrade yung pera sa amin. Okay? Or any of you na nagte-text or nagme-message gamit yung pangalan ko and then asking for investment, that's not me. Okay? Kasi mayroon ng kumukopya ng pangalan natin. So, hindi po kami nag-accept ng investment. Bro, anong ginagawa ninyo? What we do is we teach you how to trade. Bakit we do not accept? And please don't send your money dun sa iba. Kasi that's the easiest way na ma-scam kayo. Ulitin ko, that's the easiest way na ma-scam kayo yung nag-i-invest kayo sa iba at hindi nyo alam. Okay? So si Fek, bukid nun, may gabi. So, anong gagawin mo? The best thing you avoid from scam is to educate yourself. Alam mo kung paano ang forex, alam mo kung ano yung mga platform, kasi kung alam mo, hindi ka na may scam. Bakit ko ito ginagawa? Kasi ako mismo, when I started forex trading, I was scammed. Napasok ako sa wrong community, nagbigay ako ng 200,000 na hanggang ngayon hindi ko nakuha. However, on the positive side, doon na open yung mind ko about forex trading. Nag-research ako, nakita ko naman na legit si forex trading, yung community lang na napasukan ko yung hindi legit. So mamaya, ano yung legit na platform na gagamitin natin, magkano ito start, pag-usapan. But uulitin ko po, we do not accept investment. What if interested kayo? Tuturuan namin kayo step by step kung paano magsimula. What if busy kayo? Mayroon tayong tinatawag na AI trading na if busy ka, kung hindi ganun ka taas yung time mo para mag-aral, you can start trading using our AI. Wala ka nang gagawin. Ang gagawin mo lang, mag-set up ka lang yung account mo. Hawak mo pa rin yung pera mo just like GCash. Hawak mo yung account mo, hawak mo yung password mo, hawak mo yung app. Anytime you want to withdraw, you can withdraw. Alright? So, uulitin ko, we do not accept investment in our community. We teach you how to be a profitable trader. So pag-usapan natin tonight, basic in forex trading and cheat codes in forex trading. But before that, survey lang muna ako. Sino dito hindi pa nakapag-try ng forex trading? Hindi pa nag-open ng MT4, MT5, walang platform. Can you type number 1? At sino dito nakapag-start na ng MT4 or MT5? Can you type number 2? Kasi ang nire-recognize ko lang na legit na platform for forex trading is using MT5 and MT4. Other than that, they have their own platform. It's either manipulated, legit, pero most likely if it's standalone, hindi siya 50-50. Sabihin ko lang 50-50. Ibig sabihin kung hindi gumagamit ng MT4, MT5, 50-50 yan. Okay? So, let's continue. Okay. By the way, guys, I'll entertain question later on para tuloy-tuloy tayo. Kukunin lang natin kasi yung isang oras or before 1 hour. So, mamaya, I'll entertain your questions. I cannot entertain everyone kasi po baka yung mga questions ninyo. Baka po mga questions ninyo. Okay? Kasasabi ko lang, Fe, I'll entertain questions. I-copy mo yung questions mo, i-save mo yan. I'll entertain questions later on. Baka madadaanan natin yan para hindi tayo magpabalik-balik. Okay. Okay lang po ba? So guys, do you think Forex is risky? Yes or no? Can you type in the chat box kung ano yung Forex? Yes or no? Yes, yeah, depende. That's good. At least may depende. For me, Forex is risky. Okay. Hindi po ito para sa lahat. Hindi po ito para sa mahihinang loob. Hindi po ito para sa mga taong madaling ma-discourage. Copy? Pero wala akong nakitang tao na successful na hindi risk taker. Ulitin ko. Wala akong nakitang tao na financially successful na hindi siya risk taker. So, kaya most of the time yung mga FW, sila yung mga risk taker, kayo, kaya kayo yung open yung mga mind niyo sa opportunity na kagaya ninyo. And congratulations for that. Okay. So, yes, it's risky but it's very rewarding. Now, that's life. Ganun talaga ang life. Para ka makakuha ng something, you need to take some risk. Example, yung pag-abroad. Okay, yung pag-abroad. Mamaya na natin na pag-usapan yung scam, brother. Tapos na ako nagbigay ng guidelines para di ka ma-scam. Anong gagawin? Tapos na yan. Mamaya natin pag-usapan yan. And guess what? That's very normal with me. 90% of OFW, 70% lahat dumaan sa scam. Kaya nandito kayo tonight, aralin nyo para hindi kayo ma-scam. Okay? Let's move on. Okay. So, Forex trading is very rewarding. Kung alam mo kung paano siya gamitin, very rewarding. Just like ang pagiging pag-a-abroad ninyo. Sino dito sa inyo na isang malaking risk yung pag-a-abroad ninyo? Can you type number 1? Isang malaking risk yung pag-a-abroad. Do you think isang malaking risk yung pag-a-abroad? Yes. That's very big risk. Iniwanan nyo yung pamilya nyo, papupunta sa place na hindi nyo alam, na walang kilala, di ba? That's a very risk. Pero bakit nyo ito ginagawa? Bakit nyo ito ginagawa? Kasi you're looking for the reward. Tinitingnan nyo yung return. Anong kapalit sa risk na ibibigay mo? Guys, ganun din yung any business. Guys, ganun din yung forex trading. So for now, wala pa tayong risk, wala pa kayong sinimulan ni $1, wala pa. Ang gagawin nyo lang, tingnan nyo lang yung reward. Kung nagustuhan nyo, let's move forward and we will help each other. Kung hindi naman, bro, I think this is not for me. Feel free to feel free to leave the opportunity on the table. I don't want to prove that Forex is a scam or not. That's not my job. That's your job to go to Google. So I don't want to, I don't want any quarrel. If you think that you don't like, and this is not for you, plain and simple, just feel free to leave the opportunity on the table. However, kung nagustuhan mo, pagtulungan natin, because I really already understand that success and financial success is not for everyone. Okay? So let's move on. Is that fair? Bakit po Forex trading? It's simple. Because it's digital business. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Magagawa mo, nagninegosyo ka, gamit habang digital lang, cellphone lang. Just like earlier, yung mga nasa GC na alam nila, yung mga ginagawa natin pagtitrade everyday. Nasa cellphone ka lang, laptop, or smart device na gagamitin mo, as long as may internet, pwede ka na mag-start ng business. Okay. Now, I understand, if you're an OFW, you want to start a business, kailangan mo malaking pera. Franchise, Siomai, 100,000, 200,000, papadala mo sa Pilipinas. Tindahan, shop, we don't know what kind of business papadala mo sa family mo without knowing kung anong mangyayari dun sa business. Hindi mo hawak lahat. Unfortunately, marami tayong tinulungan pero marami ding hindi naging successful because they are not willing. Willing tayo na tulungan sila but they are not willing. Kasi ang business talaga guys is kailangan siyang aralin. Hindi pwedeng nag-business ka lang, yun na yun, milyonaryo ka na bukas. No. At kailangan siyang tutukan. So kailangan, kung tao lang yung ilalagay mo doon, yung drive niya at drive mo iba. Okay? So iba talaga yung ikaw may-ari. But for now, we can't do that because of the space. You can start with digital business kasi at least walang risk. Hawak mo yung sarili mo. Matulog ka, magtrabaho ka. It's up to you. Okay? So that's one thing that's very attractive for OFW. Another thing is its flexible lifestyle. I see here si Lembel, sabi niya kanina, nagda-drive siya ng trailer. Okay? And mayroong Filipino na content creator na pina-follow ko. I forgot the name. Na nagda-drive ng trailer sa Saudi. So baka ikaw yun, bro. So ang gagawin mo, kung magda-drive ka, syempre huwag kang mag-trade, di ba? But during the time on your break, nagpapahinga ka, matulog ka, you can do that. Because kung alam mo lang paano mag-trade, ako kung tatanungin ko, ang trade ko is maximum, every trade, maximum of 10 to 15 minutes every trade. And then mayroon ako 2 set or 3 set every day sa pag-trade. So maximum of 30 minutes lang every trade ko. But it doesn't mean na yun lang ibibigay ko lalo kung nag-start ka pa lang. So kailangan ko maglagay ng konting oras para aralin. Okay. So low startup capital. I know marami kayong pera. But still sasabihin ko sa iyo, bro, magkano ika-capital ko dyan? Kasi the other week, pinagsabi, OFWs, bro, pwede bang 1,000 USD ilalagay ko? Sabi ko sa kanya, are you a new trader or nagtitrade ka na? Sabi niya, bago. Bro, kung may pera ka man, ito yung sasabihin ko sa iyo, huwag mong ilalagay 1,000 USD. That's around almost 60,000. Ilalagay mo lang 100 USD. Yan lang muna kasi nag-start ka pa. So, kailangan yun lang. 100 USD yung startup capital if you're asking me. Pero kung alam mo na, madali mo lang i-scale, madali kang kumita, you can earn as much as 7 digit. Okay. Alam mo ba? I don't know kung makano yung kita mo dyan, pero nagre-range yan. Yung mga kita-kita nyo dyan, yung mga OFW na kasama natin, ini-interview natin sila, sabi niya, Coach, ang kita ko this week, mas malaki pa sa kita ko monthly. Dito sa UAE naman yun, yung na-interview natin the other month. So, no experience needed. Kailangan mo lang dito, importante, willing ka lang matuto kasi hindi naman to tinuturo sa paaralan. Okay? So, what is Forex? Forex is very simple. Palitan ng pera. This is a buy and sell of currency or pera. So, you buy for USD or US dollar, you sell it for euro or euro USD. Okay? So, ganun lang. So, if currency mo ngayon is dirham, pag uwi mo sa pinapalitan mo ng peso. May peso ka, papunta ka saan ka papunta? Papunta ka sa South Korea, magbabakasyon ka. So, kailangan mo ng won. So, ililipat mo yung peso mo or papalitan mo peso to won. So, ang tawag dyan is foreign exchange in a manual. However, yung ginagawa natin is through digital platforms. So, do you know that Forex is the largest market in the whole world? May access ka ho na 7 trillions of dollars are being traded every day. Ganito po kalaki itong Forex trading. Global, lahat po, buong mundo. Most liquid business, ibig sabihin kung may 1 million ka man, gusto mong withdrawin ngayon na walang makakapigil sa'yo. So that's another red flag. kung na may napasukan ka na kunwari, sounds like very real na forex trading, but you can't withdraw ka agad, that's a red flag. Kasi ang legit, ang forex trading, kaya may tinatawag na regulated brokers. Okay, si regulated brokers, dapat guys, instant mawi-withdraw mo. Okay, instant. No question asked, no further requirements asked, mawi-withdraw mo. So kung may napasukan ka man and then you have a problem withdrawing it, so red flag yan. Warning. Okay? So at least alam nyo na ngayon. Nag-ooperate siya 24/5, Monday to Friday. Available using smart device, cellphone, laptop, tablet. And sinong nagtitrades? Government, central banks, and financial institution. Bangko, nagtitrade sila. So, ngayon pa lang, I want you to put in your mind that Forex is a business. Ano yung mga karakter ng business? May capital, may kita, kailangan mong tutukan. But siyempre, ang tutok dito sa cellphone lang naman. So that's doable on your side. Okay? Compared to any traditional business or brick and mortar business, mayroon ka pang stocks, inventory, di-deliver mo. Okay, mayroon kang bayad sa aircon. Kasi kung just, if you have a coffee shop, then kailangan aircon. Or if you have a good shop or milk tea, dapat aircon, space, and so on. So dito wala na. Okay. So paano ba kumikita? We profited by the pag-increase ng presyo or pag-decrease ng presyo. Let's say for example, yung dollar before nagiging 50, meron kang $1, pinalitan mo, may time na naging 58, but ngayon around 56. Pinalitan mo, so kumita ka ng 8 pesos. So yun yung dollar. What if the price goes down? You'll still make money? Yes. Okay. In trading, mayroon tayong tinatawag na buy and sell possession. Ibig sabihin, if you think that the price will go up, you do buy. If you think that the price will go down, you do sell. Okay, uulitin ko po. Ang trading is about anticipation and forecast. Kung ma-anticipate mo that the market is going up, pwede kang mag-buy. And ma-anticipate mo that the market is going down, pwede kang mag-sell. Alright? Exam. Q&A. Guys, if the market is going down, anong trade possession gagawin mo? B for buy, S for sell. Very good. Congrats. Sell. Grabe ah. Tatalino yung audience natin tonight. Okay. So ito yung mga major pairs. Si Lemuel. Okay lang kasi first timer. Hindi mo kasi ma-feel sa options kasi kiklik mo lang. Walang analysis na nangyayari. Okay. So, ito yung mga major pairs na usually tinatrade natin. USD, GDGPY, USD CEP, USD CHEP rather, USD CAD, something like that. We also do sa community natin US 30. So, that's top 30 companies, indexes. And we also have XAU, USD, or gold. Nag-trade din tayo dyan. So, allow me to introduce to you take profit and stop loss, which is very important. Okay. The term is TP, take profit. SL, stop loss. So, iniibig sabihin yan. So, this is the chart. Ayun, screenshot natin. So, ang gagawin dito is this candlesticks represents the movement of the market, the ups and down of the market. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, dito, bumaba, umakyat, bumaba, umakyat, bumaba, umakyat. So the market is really have two direction. Although, technically, tatlong trend. Uptrend, downtrend, and ranging. Okay. However, in this scenario, makikita mo that the price is going up. So, if the price is going up, what kind of trade possession ang gagawin natin? B for buy, S for sell. Lemuel, I give you another chance. B for buy, S for sell. Yes, magbabuy ka. So definitely, dito yung presyo, kasi dito ka pumasok, here. Ito yung entry zone mo. Dito ka pumasok, nakita mo that the price, based on your analysis, will go up. So nag-trade ka ngayon. Entry, pumasok ka. Ang pasok mo is buy. Okay? So the green line is your target. Another green line is your target too. Ang ibig sabihin dyan is TP. Pag abot sa linya na yan, pag abot ng price na yan is TP, take profit. Now, in this example, ito yung red, ito yung actual price. This one is your actual price. Nakuha na niya, pagdating dito, nakuha na niya yung TP. Ibig sabihin, may pera ka na. And guess what? Right after that, after you TP, kung gusto mong withdraw mo. No question asked. Another here, lumabot dito guys, nag-TP. Ano nga ibig sabihin ng TP? Can you type TP? Ibig sabihin, may pera ka na. Now, ang questions is, what if magkamali yung forecast mo? Okay, or anticipation. Instead that you go up, then the price go down. So, mayari yan, mayroon tayong tinatawag na stop loss. Ang stop loss is defense or part yan ng risk management mo na magbibigay ka na lang ng limit hanggang dito lang yung ilalagay mo na pagkatalo mo para hindi mauubos yung pera mo. Ang tawag dyan is stop loss. Alright? So the best way to understand Forex trading is to understand the technical analysis. Yes, you heard it right. Kailangan natin siyang i-analyze, guys. Otherwise, if you don't understand analysis at nagtitrade ka, therefore, ang ginagawa mo is nanghuhula ka lang. Tama? Nanghuhula ka lang kung hindi mo alam yung analysis. Do you know that ang paghuhula will only give you not 50%, 5% of the win rate. Ibig sabihin, 5% the win rate mo. Yun yung paghuhula. Kaya, maraming sumubok, hindi inaral, hinula, kaya sabi, Forex, hindi naman ako naging successful dyan. So, kasi hindi inaral at hindi nilalang. Ngayon, tanungin mo, ano yung ibig sabihin ng technical analysis? Hindi masagot kasi hindi alam. Now, good news is sa community natin, nagtuturo tayo kung paano gawin. Okay? So, let's say for example, technical analysis involves of fundamental, technical, and sentimental. Si sentimental, guys, is like supply and demand. Kung maraming buyer, tataas yung presyo. Maraming buyer ng gold, tataas yung presyo. Maraming buyer ng USD kasi maganda yung balita ng USD just like lately, okay, tataas yung presyo. Yun yung sentimental. Si fundamentals naman, guys, is mga pangyayari, any news related. Halimbawa, may news positive about sa US because of tariff rates. So, tataas yung dollar. Are you following? Following ba? Can you type FF if you're following? Following? So, ito yung fundamentals, guys, para hindi ka mahirapan, may website dyan. Titingnan mo lang yung pula, ang tawag dyan, high impact news. So, hindi ka pa marunong mag-interpret, huwag ka na lang mag-trade. Kasi yung mga time na may pula, ang tawag dyan is magkaroon siya ng malaking volume. Or the volume, ibig sabihin maraming buyers or maraming sellers, depende sa news, makakaroon siya ng volatility. Ibig sabihin malakas yung galaw ng market because of the buyers and sellers or the players respond with the news of the country. Okay. So si technical analysis, guys, ito kailangan itong aralin talaga. So, hindi ito biro, guys. Kailangan mo itong aralin ng straight, at least 3 days to 6 months. Depending on how fast are you. Okay? So, siguro yung fundamentals, makukuha mo ay yung basic nito, makukuha mo for 3 days. Straight yan. So, ito, mga support resistance, candlestick patterns. So, yun yung aralin mo sa technical analysis. Mga breakaway, ang pullback. Or breakout and pullback. Okay. Breakout and pullback, support resistance again. Okay. So, aralin yan, mga range. Okay. Tapos, aralin din natin yung tinatawag natin na mga patterns. The chart is made out of patterns. So, kung hindi mo alam yan, it looks like trading is complicated to you. Sino nagsabi na parang complicated talaga yung trading? Can you type number 1 lang if you feel that it's complicated? Okay? So, kasi ako, sa totoo lang, complicated yung trading when I started. Alright? So, thank you for being honest. But I have a good news for you tonight. Who wants an easier solution? Ano yung ibig sabihin niyan, bro? Sino dito yung first time pa lang sa Forex trading? Because of the cheat codes na ibibigay natin, maging madali na lang yung pag-aaral mo at madali ka lang maging profitable. At sino dito yung nagtitrade na, yung nag-answer number 2 kanina, na magbigay kami ng tools, strategies, para hindi ka na matagalan to create your own, ipa-follow mo na lang gamitin mo yung tools para maging profitable ka na. So, do you like that? Can you type yes if you like that? Me. First time, me, thank you. So, introducing to you the cheat codes in Forex trading. Okay? So, but before that, ikwento ko muna sa inyo, paano ko to encounter itong cheat codes ng Forex trading? I started Forex trading since 2017. Hindi madali. Walang community, walang training, walang tools, walang cheat codes, kaya sunog-sunog ako dati. Okay? 2021, nag-end up ako, nag-stop ako sa Forex trading kasi that was the time na natalo ako ng 400,000 pesos lang naman in one night. Yes, you heard it right. In one night. So I feel that it's not free, pero seryoso ha, seryoso ito yung inaral ko. Pero before that, may mga panalo din ako na medyo malaki din. However, next stop ako. So I really thought that Forex is not for me. Last year, I'm praying for an opportunity. Isa akong negosyante na nagkaroon ng problem yung negosyo namin after pandemic. I was the CEO of the company with 50 plus employees. Ulitin ko, 50 plus employees under my company. Lahat yan pinauwi ko after pandemic. So I have a personal crisis, binita ko 2 kotse ko at isang bahay at naghahanap ako ng way for 2 years. I tried to start again a business, another business para makapagbalik ako, para makabayad ako ng utang, para ma-sustain ko yung pangangailangan ko sa family. Eventually, exactly last year of August, end of July, na-introduce sa akin to ulit yung Forex trading pero hindi pa ako naniniwala. Okay? Actually, hindi siya na-introduce eh. Yung kaibigan ko, panay post niya about sa journey niya sa Forex trading, napaka-question ako. Pero kaya lang, hindi ako naniwala kasi di ba nasunugan ako ng big time. Sabi ko, bro, kumusta yung trading mo? But I know, may pera sa Forex trading, may mga kumikita ng malaki sa Forex trading. Ang question lang is, anong gagawin ko para maaral ko ito? Anong technique ng gagawin ko para maging profitable ako? Yun lang. Sabi niya sa akin, bro, iba na ngayon, bro, may cheat codes na sa Forex. Sabi ko, bang, ano yan? Bro, mga AI and tools and everything na pwede mo siyang gamitin para mataas yung accuracy mo sa Forex trading. Okay, ganun ba? Okay. Unang-una, hindi pa ako naniwala kaagad. Just like you. Meron dito hindi din naniwala kaagad, di ba? Hindi pa naniwala kaagad. So, however, yung kaibigan ko, na-feature po siya sa RDR Talks. RDR Talks. So, if you know about RDR Talks, sino dito nakakilala kay RDR Talks, na-feature siya, nakita ko sa YouTube. Sabi ko, itong kaibigan ko pala, na nagpo-forex trading na seryoso, ang journey pala siya is, mayroon pala siyang utang na 26 million. Sino dito may utang na 26 million? Alam niyo ba guys, itong utang niya na 26 million, nabayaran niya because of forex trading business. Ulitin ko, forex trading business, kasamang pag-trade, affiliate and IB at ituturo namin sa inyo sa community if you are ready for it. But let's start muna with forex trading. Imagine guys, sino dito may utang na more than 26 million? 20 million, 15 million, 10 million. Guys, okay lang siguro umamin. Wala naman siguro dito yung napag-utangan ninyo. 26 million? Archel? Okay, 2 million. Okay, walang problema. 2 million, 200,000 lang yan. Ibig sabihin, kung nabayaran niya yung 26 million na utang, itong 2 million mo or 200,000 mo, kayang-kaya. Di ba? Kayang-kaya. So let's start. Paano natin mabayaran itong utang natin? So let's start with cheat codes in Forex trading. Okay. Ay, by the way nga pala, di ba nasabi ko sa iyo, we sold our car, 2 cars, and then bumalik talaga kami back to zero. I started Forex trading at naggamamit ng cheat codes last year, August, and doing the business focus, okay? Kasama niyo yung trading at pag-build ng community. And thank God, last December, nakabangon kami ng konti, nakabili kami ng brand new Montero Sport. Okay? That's not to brag, that's to inspire. Okay? That's to inspire. So yan, sabi ni Lemuel, educate us kapatid. Yun, we are now. Okay, thank you, sana congratulate. So isa sa mga cheat code natin guys is that we have AI tools for trading. Yes, you heard it right. Guys, iba yung AE, iba yung bot at iba yung AI. Okay. So kung anong pagkakaiba dyan, meron akong separate training dyan. But just to give you a sense, yung AI tools natin guys, mayroon siyang manual trading and meron siyang fully automated. Anong ibig sabihin ng manual trading? Ikaw yung magti-trade, ikaw yung mag-analyze, pero may AI ka na tutulong sa'yo. Si automated talaga, wow, labing bagsak ka. Si automated talaga guys, wala kang gagawin. Mag-set up ka lang ng account and after that, i-link natin sa AI, wala ka na gagawin, titingnan mo lang. So yun yung tinatawag na automated trading. So example, anong itsura? Guys, ito is AI pattern scanner. So AI tools ito guys. If you don't know how to read the chart, wala ka pang idea talaga, or even you already know how to read the chart, but understanding about patterns is medyo advanced ito. So ang mangyari guys, if mayroon kang access, excuse me, sa web-based na AI tools na ito, si AI ang magbabasa ng chart para sa iyo in terms of pattern. Ulitin ko, si AI ang magbabasa ng chart sa iyo in terms of pattern. So, mas madali na lang i-interpret yung chart kasi may AI ka. And good thing is that magbibigay siya ng signal. When to entry, when is the TP, or when will be the TP, o kailan yung take profit 1, take profit 2, o saan yung SL mo ilalagay. So definitely, it will help you big time. Imagine, you are new in forex trading, and then mayroong AI mag-i-interpret sa chart mo. So ang gaan na lang. Which is, this Saturday, meron tayong special training about this one dun sa community natin. Okay. So ano yung basis dyan? Ang basis is harmonic patterns. After this one, you can search on Google, ano yung success ratio? If you're using harmonic patterns, guys, that's over 70% to 85%. By the way, another tip, pag sinasabi nila na 100% walang talo, 100% safe na safe, secured, again, red flag. It's probably a scam. Bakit ho? Wala pong 100% sa forex trading. Paano kumita kung walang 100%? Nagkatalo tayo dito sa tinatawag na win rate. Anong ibig sabihin ng win rate? If you have 70% win rate, so you trade 10 times, 3 talo ka. Pero 7 panalo ka. So at the end of the day, profitable ka pa rin kasi mas marami yung profit mo compared sa panalo mo. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng win rate. However, if you're using that pattern, that will help you to boost up to 85%. Pero mahirap i-identify to for non-professionals o mga baguhan. But these patterns are very accurate. Kaya kung mayroon ka nito, it will help you the accuracy of your trades. Na? Para ka ng pro, para ka ng magaling, pero may AI na nag-interpret ng chart para sa'yo. So this is actually the exact screenshots of our AI pattern scanner. Okay? I think this is a high crab. Okay? Crab crab na anong tawag nito na pattern. Okay? So yon yung AI pattern scanner. Okay. So example guys, meron. Yes, meron. May gumagamit nito, ito yung screenshot niya sa paggamit niya. Kumita lang naman siya ng 621, 681. Lahat-lahat 1,300. By the way, makikita kayo ng most of the screenshots sa community natin. Inside our community, lahat po ng screenshots. Yes, iba-iba po yung reaction ninyo. Yung iba naliitan, yung iba nalakihan. Depende po. Kung nasanay ka na kumita ng malaki, yung malaking figure sa iyo, parang normal na lang. But kung hindi ka nasanay, please wag mong kontrahin. Kasi kung kukontrahin mo yan, you are sending a negative vibration na ayaw mo that kind of income. So kung gusto mong kumita ng malaki, I'm telling you, ngayon pa lang, magsanay-sanay ka na. Kasi sa forex trading naman talaga, is very normal kumita ng ganito, 1,300 sa isang araw na pag-trade. Alright? Copy? Fair enough? Another trade, ito, medyo mabigat na ito. One day in trading forex, 4,124, 200,000 guys, one day. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa sinong may-ari nito. May-ari nito is a former OFW and a former seaman. And guess what? Hindi na nagsisiman. Bakit? Siyempre, yung kita niya na 1 month doon sa hirap, pwede niyang kikitain dito na 1 day. Alright? So another trade. Ito pala yung may-ari. Ito yung actual trade niya. Ito yung resulta niya. Another trade na kumita siya ng another 200,000. Okay? So sino siya? Ito. Si Coach Gio. And this is yours truly. That time when we met, kasi nagkakaroon kami ng trainings, nag-trade siya, kumita siya ng another 200,000. Okay. Not everyday nagtitrade yung mga pro traders na ito. Pero kapag ka nagtitrade sila, grabe mataas yung accuracy. Okay. So, but because of cheat code. So, another AI tools, guys, is meron tayong wealth builder and wealth gainer. Ito naman, wala kang gagawin. Technically, nga wala kang gagawin. Ang gagawin mo lang, mag-create lang setup ng account, i-link, and then si AI magti-trade para sa'yo. It's conservative, not aggressive, but the good thing is safe yung money mo. Kasi for more than 1 year, guys, walang nasusunugan. Walang nag-negative for more than 1 year. Because this is started on late 2023. Nakita nyo. Actually, magkano yung range ito, guys, is 3% to 24%. Depende sa takbo ng market. But let's just say nag-average ka ng 10% equity gain. Magkano capital? 300. Anong iti-trade XEU USD? Alright? Mamaya. Mamaya, I answer your questions. Okay. Sige. Another, guys, is swipe to trade. Okay, swipe to trade. This is very good for new talaga yung nag-answer ng number 1. So, sa community natin, guys, mayroon tayong tinatawag na app na tinatawag na Solex. Sa Solex, guys, mayroon tayong mga pro traders or master trader nagbibigay ng signal. Hindi ito yung pipichugi na signal, guys. Kaya nito, signal. So, if you are new, guys, ang gagawin mo lang, kasi parang naguluhan ka pa sa MT5, ang gagawin mo lang, mag-upload ka lang ng iconic na app. Isa-swipe mo lang ito. Kung nagustuhan mo yung signal na binigay niya, i-swipe mo lang ito. Just like that. Swipe. I-swipe mo lang ito and then you're good to go. Ganun lang kadali mag-trade. Cheat codes. Cheat codes talaga. So para ka ng mayroon kang trader na utak na 10 years na nagtitrade or 15 years na nagtitrade na siya yung magtitrade para sa'yo pero account mo, iso-swipe mo lang. Okay. Sasabay ka lang sa trade niya. Pero yung pera sa'yo, account mo sa'yo, hindi mo binigay sa kanya. Copy. Okay? Another cheat code, guys, is Academy. Ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. Bakit? At the end of the day, pera mo yung tinatrade mo dito, kailangan alam mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Okay, bakit importante ito? You could ask, bakit sa YouTube na lang at hindi na lang dito? 'Di ba? Marami naman sa YouTube. Okay, ito yung tanong ko. Do you believe na yung lesson ng mga high school at college, yung lesson nila, makikita pa rin sa YouTube? Yes or no? Yes. Pero yung question ko, bakit pinaaral niyo yung anak ninyo na mayroon pa namang lesson nila sa paaralan na nandito na sa YouTube? Because of the quality education. Hindi lahat ng training, guys, quality. Kaya dito, importante, ito yung pinaka-mistake ko when I started kasi nagtitipid ako, kaya malaki yung talo ko sa maliit na bagay na kaalaman na pwede ako mag-invest sa training. Hindi ako nag-invest, kaya later part na ako nag-invest. Okay? So dito, mayroong basic, advanced, and master class. Ano yung master class? Advanced of the advanced. Depende kung anong level ka. Okay? So, ito web-based siya. If you're busy anytime, marami kasi nagtatanong, anong oras yung training, ilang ano ba, ikaw, depende sa time mo kasi web-based siya. So, kung saan yung available mo, doon ka magte-train kasi you can play, you can replay anytime. Merong stocks and merong crypto. Of course, sa community naman natin as bonus, meron tayong tinatawag na Chart Mastery. Chart Mastery is an exclusive webinar na pinag-usapan dito yung technical analysis. Ito yung mga klaseng training, guys, na mag-i-invest ka ng 30,000 para matuto ka sa technical analysis. Pero dito ma-access natin sa community. Okay? Another, guys, last cheat codes. Ulitin ko,
cheat code number 1, AI trading, may manual, may automatic. Cheat code number 2 is yung ano nga ba yung cheat code number 2 is yung signal or swipe to trade. Okay? Cheat code number 3 is academy, aralin. Kasama yung chart. Cheat code number 4 guys is live trading sessions. This one is literally the simple and the fastest way to trade. Okay? So kita nyo naman dito, sasabay ka lang sa trade niya, pero ikaw yung pipindot sa account mo, sa MT5 mo. I just end up my trade and then when you join our community, papakita ko sa iyo kung magkano resulta ko sa pagte-trade tonight. Okay, so ito guys, ito ganito. Magsiset up siya kung kailan ka mag-buy, kailan ka mag-sell. Tapos magsasabi siya buy. Pag sabi niyang buy, mag-buy ka rin. Parang ganun lang. So by the way, this master trader is 20 years na in the forex trading industry. So ito yung mga resulta. Okay, this one is latest. Mag-update ako. Okay, this one is 4.4, so medyo latest. Mag-update ako guys. Kung nasa GC ka, nakita mo everyday yung mga resulta. Okay. So dito, ito yung mga maliliit lang naman but not bad. Not bad for a new trader. No lang ano lang. Okay. So ito yung cheat code guys. Okay. So ang question, paano mo ma-access yung cheat codes? Of course, this is business. Okay, this is business. Okay. So ibig sabihin, para ma-access mo to yung cheat code guys, kailangan ka mag-aral ng formal class ng Forex. Kaya lang, para aralin ng formal class ng Forex trading, it's so expensive. The basic course for formal education is 70 to 150. Mayroon pa yung 400. But not anymore guys. Sa community natin guys, iconic community, by the way, US-based tayo. Okay, US-based. 5 years ago. Headquarters natin sa California. Na-feature na tayo sa Incorporated 500, Watch, Forbes, and anything. Okay? So mag-enroll ka sa community natin guys, 1 year access, 999 only. Okay? 645 if 6 months. Ano yung makukuha mo? AI trading, Manara yung pattern scanner na AI, Eka yung education, VIP signals yung dun sa app, mga signals, and then live sessions, meron kang access. Plus meron kang bonus guys, chart mastery, yung training natin na technical analysis in Tagalog. Mayroon tayong VIP community na kung if you are stuck na guguluhan kayo, can ask questions there. Mayroon tayong group coaching every week. No, this Saturday we'll have a group coaching and Friday we'll have a good Friday for newbies and Saturdays for newbies and advanced. Okay. And then meron tayong dalawang scalping strategies na isusubo na namin sa inyo. Ang kailangan mo lang i-follow mo lang and you master the timing. So that madali kang maging profitable ng forex trading. Guys, ang tanong ko, worth it ba itong aralin? Like I said, yung questions ko, mamaya ko na sasagutin. Okay? Sagutin ko lang yung question, guys. Are you willing? Who's willing? Can you type number 1 if you are willing na sa tingin ninyo, worth it aralin itong forex trading para hindi ako may scam? Okay, by the way, I like to take this one. Sa bonus pa lang, bawing-bawi na. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Okay, bonus pa lang. Sarap sana kaso hirap ng kapital. That's your life. Okay, pero don't worry. Ato pababa natin yan. Okay, so kung nahihirapan ka, guys, medyo mahal yung 900, 600 USD to USD. Guys, take a look at the others are offering. Ibang company, ibang community. Para maka-join ka sa kanila guys, you need to pay 1,499 USD. Plus, meron ka pang monthly na 99 USD subscription or 1,709, ganun ho kamahal. Bakit mahal? Because you are learning high-paying skills. Anong ibig sabihin ng high-paying skills? Kung marunong ka nito, yung hard work mo sa pagtatrabaho mo na 1 month, pwede mong kikitain dito in 1 day. Kung marunong kaya. Kaya it's worth na mag-invest ka. But not anymore. Sinong gusto dito magkaroon ng i-lower natin a little bit? Lower. Willing, pero yes, mahal yung capital, i-lower lang natin. Okay, let's make it lower, guys. Okay. So I have good news for you. So instead of 999, 999, pwede ho kayong mag-start ng 199 only, which is around 10,000. And another good news, if you're a Filipino, hindi ka na magbayad ng 199, 179. Anong difference? Wala. Same lang. Pero since Filipino ka, mayroon kang bonus like emerging countries kasi first world countries like US, 999. But even if you're US and you're Canada, when you fill up the enrollment form, ilagay mo lang doon Philippines, mayroong country. Okay, and automatically magiging 179. Okay. Just wanna ask, what if walang bank account sa Pilipinas? Walang problema. For trading, GCash, Paymaya, GoTime. Do you know that you can open bank account online in just 5 minutes? Kung willing ka lang, bibigyan ka namin ng solution. Okay? Kahit anong problema, issues nandyan ka, bibigyan ka namin ng solutions. Kasi nandito kami, na-experience namin. Okay? Na-experience namin. And then, you can go with the community na mga nasa Thailand or nasa UAE, kung ano yung situations nila. Yes, tama ho. 179 lang ho. As your Filipino, no debate needed. Filipino ka, 179. Okay? Pag fill up mo lang sa form, i-click mo lang Philippines na logo. Kung hindi mo i-click yan, 99 yan. Pero, makukuha mo pa rin yung bonus na chart mastery, VIP community, group coaching signals, book coaching, VIP signals, and scalping. Ano sa tingin niyo? Sino magsasabi nga, guys, ito sulit na ito? 179 guys is a little more than 10,000 pesos. Tanungin mo ako kung magkanong binayad ko when I trained when I attend training. Nagbayad ako dahil 3 days lang nagbayad ako ng 30,000 pesos 3 days lang. 3 days lang. Ito 1 month. 1 month, okay? And then 80 time, you don't need to pay for your accommodation kasi web-based lahat. Another good news, another bonus. Dami-dami pala natin, 76. Another bonus, guys. Who wants to have another bonus? Okay. Another bonus, guys, is I will let you join our GC for free. Meron tayong community, papa-join ko kayo for free tonight. Ang gagawin mo lang is mag-reply ka lang ng I joined the webinar doon sa Messenger. Not dito, sa Messenger. Sinong re-replyan mo? Yung Facebook page or yung tao na nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight? Bakit kayo naka-join sa webinar na ito? Kasi may nagbigay ng link. Copy? Mag-reply ka lang doon na I joined the webinar. Copy ba? Copy? Copy? Right now? Yes. Right now or later? Copy ba? Kuha ba? Okay. Hold your fire with your questions. I'll promise you, hindi ako lalabas sa Zoom kung hindi ko nasagot lahat ng questions mo. Okay? So, meron din tayong mga face-to-face na mga schedules. Okay, then. For OFWs, walang problema. Zoom. Zoom, walang problema. Marami nang kumita sa Zoom. Kahit Zoom lang. May kumita na dito sa Zoom namin student, 2,000 in 1 week. Zoom lang. Okay? So, eto pa. Isa sa mga nag-join sa community, guys, is a 66 years old. Meron ba dito 66 years old? Na inaral yung forex trading, naging consistent profitable, guys, 100 to 200 USD per day. That means 10,000, 15,000 a day forex. Guys, 66 years old, hindi mahilig sa computer. Bakit niya nakuha? Because of cheat codes. Okay. Nalaglag kapatid ko, 53 years old. 55. Guys, this is not 55. This is not 66 years old senior citizen. Ano yung ibig kong sabihin? Kung nakayanan niya, makayanan mo rin. Ako, 64. Walay problema. Pasok gyapon ka, Brad. Kay 66 man ang atong kontra. Okay. So, another, okay, profitable in 1 day. Okay, kita niyo naman, 200, 121. Marami tayong resulta, including mga traders na dati, na first time in my forex trading career, consistent akong tradings. Consistent na because of cheat code. This woman is from Bohol. Ito na, Cebu. Ito na yung kinita niya ngayon. Nag-enroll siya. Inaral niya 2 weeks. After 1 month, kumita siya ng 100,000, nakapag-withdraw siya 96. Meron tayong video for this one sa kanya. Okay? This one is a OFW. Kasama natin, OFW sa UAE. Okay? One day, hindi siya nagpumasok kasi not feeling well, may ubo, pero trading is life, nag-trade pa rin siya. Hindi nga siya pumasok, nag-trade siya for 4 hours, kumita din siya ng 744 USD or 42,000, 4 hours lang naman. Kaya importanteng aralin ang forex trading. Mayroon kaming training, nakakatapos lang na tinatawag na 2 days challenge. Ito naman, ibibigay namin sa inyo na free kung nasa GC kayo. Mag-reply lang kayo that I joined the webinar. Ay, makukuha mo. What if hindi pa ko ready mag-enroll? Walang problema. Just join the webinar. But you want to explore. Gusto mong matuto, gusto mong mag-move forward, gusto mong ma-explore, mag-reply ka and join the webinar. Okay? No commitment. If you think you don't like, again, feel free to leave the GC. No pressure on our side, no hard feelings, because I already understand that business is not for everyone. That's so simple. But if you like it, if you're interested in it, we can work together at you join our program para matuto ka paano gumawa ng forex trading at kumita. Don't forget, kung hindi pa sino dito hindi pa nakapag-join sa GC, mag-reply lang, I joined the webinar. All right? Let's go for your Q&A. Okay? Q&A na tayo. Q&A. Assurance na hindi masusunugan. Wala bro. Walang magbibigay ng assurance. Okay? Kung gusto mo assurance, yung pera mo iblagay mo sa bangko. At kung gusto mo may assurance, scam yan. Like I said kanina, sinasabi ko, there's no such thing as 100% in trading, pero mayroon tayong tinatawag na 100 high win rate. No 100 high win rate. If you're looking for assurance, brother, this is not for you. Forex trading is a high risk, high reward business model. Okay? By the way, huwag kayong mag-reply dito that I joined the webinar. Kailangan huwag kayong mag-reply dito nga I joined the webinar doon sa Messenger. Bakit? Kasi hindi namin alam mo, ito si Samuel. I am not sure if your name in Facebook is Samuel. Yung mga OFW pa naman, iba-iba yung character ninyo. So how can we add you to GC? So doon kayo mag-reply sa Messenger, nagbigay ng link, Facebook page or person. Good question. Kailan mo nasasabi na nangyayari yung nasusunugan ka? Nagkamali ka ng trade mo kasi hindi mo alam. You don't know what to do. Hindi ka pa expert, nagkamali ka. Instead of buy, nagiging sell, ibig sabihin, naliliquid yung pera mo or in short, natalo yung pera mo. Ako po, nga panalo sana nasusunugan. Ako, okay, that's true in forex trading. Kaya kailangan siyang aralin. Okay, kaya siya aralin. Okay. Uulitin ko, wag mag-reply dito yung I joined the webinar sa Messenger. Yes po. Guys, saan na yung mga tanong ninyo kanina na habang nagsasalita ako? Okay? So, common questions. Okay. Yung 179 ba, one time lang yan? Yes. This is a very good questions. Okay. Di ba kanina may binigay ako na presyo? 999. Ang access mo yan is 1 month, 1 year. 999 USD. Okay. You can start with 179. Ang access mo dyan is 1 month. Hindi yan lifetime, 1 month. Okay. You can continue mag-subscribe ka ulit. Pero at least hindi 999 yung babayaran mo. But if you don't want to continue, it's okay. But para sa iba na kumikita na yung 200 USD isang araw na lang, walang problema. Okay? Questions. Pag may stop loss po nasusunugan, hindi. Hindi nila alam. Usually hindi alam talaga nasusunugan. Walang knowledge talaga. Pag may stop loss, hindi ka masusunugan. Let's say for example, yung stop loss mo is yung risk mo is 5%. So kung meron kang 100 USD, natalo ka 5 USD lang. So hindi ka masusunugan. At ituturo din namin sa inyo kung paano. 179 ba pwede ko mag-renew? Yes. Okay. Paano po masusunugan kung naka-automated system yung AI? By data, for more than 1 year, hindi pa nasusunugan yung AI natin. Bakit? Kasi calculated na yan. Based on algorithm na binigay natin kang AI. Okay? So if you want further results or questions, join the GC, magtanong kayo doon, mag-observe kayo doon. Then if you don't like, feel free to leave. 117. No, ang next month is only 129 na lang. Mura na lang yung next month mo, 129. But uulitin ko, optional. If you don't want to continue kasi magaling ka na, it's up to you. If you're a fast learner, nakuha mo for 1 month, it's up to you. Okay? Pag di mag-renew, among mga privilege, syempre, matanggal po tong cheat code sa imo. Okay? Pero dili ka na mo tanggalon sa VIP community. Mayroon tayong VIP community, guys, under my team, hindi ka tinatanggal. Pero yung mga tools, like si AI pattern scanner sa ECA, mawala sa'yo. Syempre. Di ba? 170 na pa and pwedeng ulit mag-renew. Yes, pwedeng mag-renew. Pwede po ba sa future trading, sir? Yes, pwede. Okay, ano po yung 99? That was before. But that was before 99 monthly USD. Okay. Next questions. Okay? So guys, ito yung mga resulta. Pinapakita natin. May kumikita ng 1,200. May kumikita ng 244. I mean 2,044. 100. Kung gusto nyo pinaka-latest guys, mag-join kayo sa GC every day. I promise you. Every day. Real time after we trade. Yung mga kasama natin after we trade, send lahat yung screenshot sa GC. Mawala din ba yung access sa Solex pag hindi na nyo? Of course, it's, di ba pag Netflix, kung hindi ka makarenew, mawala. So, but guys, eto. Dito ka makikita kung negosyante ka talaga o hindi. Kasi kung negosyante ka, tingnan mo tingnan mo magkano kinita niya. 2,400. Okay. Willing kang bumayad ng 179 in return of 2,400. Is it a good deal? Or very good deal? Or kahit ang return mo is 500 lang. Is it a good deal or very good deal? O kahit ang return mo is 246 lang. Kagaya nito, 246 lang. Naglabas ka ng 179. Talo ka ba? Hindi. Profitable ka pa rin at natuto ka. Okay? What if 129? Sa AI po bro, once naka-start ka, pwede ka nang hindi mag-renew. Sa AI lang. Other tools, kailangan mo mag-renew. Okay. Okay. Now you understand. Kasi guys, I already understand. Hindi lahat business-minded. Hindi lahat risk-taker. Pero para dun sa mga mahirap ba yung buhay abroad? Yes, gusto ko nang mag for good, bro. Mayroong opportunity. Pwede kang mag-start 120, 117. Magkano 117? 10,000. Ay, ang mahal. O sige, maghirap ka dyan. Kung kailan ka kung sabi sa'yo, kung ano sa ka makatigom, o di ka makatigom 10 years, di 10 years ka pa dyan. Diba? Binibigyan ka ng opportunity para mabago yung ambot yun ninyo. Alright. Questions. Okay? Kasi parami na itong screenshots. Guys, kung itutuloy ko ito yung screenshots, guys, more than 1 hour pa to. Magkano capital needed? Mag-start ka lang 100 USD for manual trade, 300 USD for AI trade. Ambot na lang yun. Di ba? Oh, magkano kinita? 37,638. Magkano gilalabas? 179. Ay, kabugat. Okay, junk ka. Habang buang. Hindi naman habang buhay. Pag kumita kayo guys ng Forex niyo, maisip na mag-stop, nakaka-addict ang trading. Si Glenn, di ba? This means na nag-trade na talaga siya. Na-enjoy ka. Mayroon nga kumita ng 1 month, 1 million. Pero this is not instant, guys. Matagal na ito na trader. More than 1 year trader na ito. Pero at least, di ba? Imagine it mo, gusto mong magsiman, mag-aral ka, 5 years kasama internship. Mang-apply ka, matulog ka sa Luneta at 1 year. 6 years to 7 years before ka makasampa. Tama, magkano yung kita mo for a start? 200. Ilang years ka nag-aral? 7 years. Magkano nilabas mo? Nako. Lahat-lahat, first year, pinakamalit, 500,000. Diba? Ito, aralin mo. 1 month, ilalabas mo, 100. Ambot na lang yun ninyo. Pasumbag tamo kang Manny Pacquiao. Actually, si brand ambassador man na to ni. Okay? Pwede ka bang mag-trade na hindi mag-enroll? Yes, pwede. Okay? Tuturuan pa kita. Pero ang question, gusto mong kumita? Ang tanong is, how will you make your trade profitable? Kasi yan, may nag-question sa akin. OFW, bro, mayroon akong 1,000 USD. Iti-trade ko. Sabi ko, bro, nag-enroll ka na ba? Alam mo na ba? Sabi niya, hindi. Bro, yung 1,000 USD mo, isave mo yan. Kasi 100% yan. Hindi ka tatagal kung hindi mo alam. Bakit? Sabi ni Duterte,
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
bakit? Bakit nakakasira? By study, guys, 95% of the new traders, 95% ng the new traders na hindi nag-aaral, kulang ng education, kulang ng risk management, mafe-fail, mawawala talaga. Kaya yung 179 mo, that's big help for you. Okay? Questions. Paktay kay Kangigong, agree, capital useless. 179 para registration for American. Wala pang trade. Okay, uulitin ko. May pang trade ka. Meron kang 500 USD. Pang trade mo na hindi ka mag-enroll. Ayaw na pag-enroll. Huwag ka na mag-enroll. 500 USD. Ang question ko, ano mangyari sa 500 USD mo? Sige nga, yung mga nakapag-trade na. Mag-trade ka, hindi mo alam anong gagawin mo. Anong mangyayari sa 500 USD, di ba? Hindi pa ako natapos, may sumagot na. O di mag-enroll ka na lang 179 para hindi ka. Hello. Common sense po minsan ba? Common sense din tayo minsan. Okay? So, di ba? Ang point ko guys is, sa akin kasi answered prayer ito. I was a businessman. I'm until now a businessman. Until now, may resort pa rin ako. I closed my business. Naghahanap ako ng magandang buhay. Naghahanap ako ng quality life. Nag-start ako. You know what? Kung tatanungin niyo ako, when I started this business, akala ko talaga yung babayaran ko is 200,000. Or pinakamaliit, 150,000. Kasi I'm a businessman. Tapos business, ito ganito kalaki yung kitaan. Tapos maglalabas na ako ng 10,000. Anong klaseng business yan? Diba? Hindi nga lang siumay kasi siumay 100,000. Balot, hindi rin pwede. Anong klaseng business yan? 10,000. Kasi akala ko talaga. Pag sinabi, enrollment to access, okay, sige. Okay, sige. Okay, walang problema. So I started. Nakabangon. Diba? Gusto mo makabangon? Kailangan may opportunity ka. Kailangan may paraan kung saan ka makabangon. Kasi, huwag kang mag-expect na mababago yung buhay mo kung wala kang bagong gagawin sa buhay mo. Ulitin ko po, huwag kang mag-expect na mababago yung buhay mo kung wala kang bagong gagawin. Ang tawag dyan, according to Albert Einstein, insanity. Isang malaking, ano ba yung insanity? In Tagalog. Kung if you expect na may bago pero wala kang ginagawang bago. Alright? So, 2 weeks to 3 weeks demo, the best time online platform. Yes, guys, totoo. Tama ito si Sir David. Ngayon, ang pinaka-the best online platform to make money sa Forex, guys. Aralin mo lang. And your gateway para aralin is the 179. Ulitin ko, hindi pa kasama yung pang-trade mo dyan. Enrollment mo pa lang yan. Okay? Pero, huwag ka munang magkapital. Aralin mo muna. 2 weeks, mag-demo ka, ganyan. Tapos, saka ka magkapital ng 100 USD pag alam mo na. Okay? Saan mag-send ng, eto magandang tanong. Saan mag-send ng 179? Doon sa nagbigay ng link sa inyo, di ba may nagbigay ng link, nag-add sa GC, or if you sa Facebook page, okay, mag-reply kayo, I joined the webinar, magbibigay kami ng instructions, link kung paano mag-enroll. Okay? Paano mag-enroll. Okay? I guess we're done for tonight, guys. I hope naintindihan nyo ako that this is not for everyone. Success is not for everyone. Hindi lahat maging mayaman. Financially successful, hindi lahat. But only for those who are willing to invest and willing to pay the price. Only for those who are, yes, I understand, yung iba na susunugan, yung iba na i-scam. Pero kung nadadapa tayo, ibig bang sabihin na hindi na tayo babangon? Yes, na-scam tayo. Yes, nahihirapan tayo. Yes, before. Alam mo guys, pag sinasabi mo sa, I was scammed, guys, hindi na bago sa akin yan. 90% of OFW na i-scam kasi hindi inaral yung Forex. But ibig bang sabihin yan na hanggang dyan lang tayo, na hindi tayo babangon? Interested, sino kontakin ko? Ulitin ko, Madam ADXB, kontakin mo yung taong nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight. Okay? Thank you so much, guys. God bless everyone. Ingat po kayo dyan, mga kababayan. God bless you all. Hopefully, sama-sama tayo dito. Tuturuan namin kayo. And if you're interested, feel free to message us para po daan-daan po nating mabago yung buhay ninyo. God bless everyone. To God be the glory.